Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Alright, what's up guys? Hope everybody is doing great. So welcome back to my new vlog. I'm trying to do daily vlogs but I'm not able to do it because of my schedules. I'm trying to create content every day, but it's highly impossible to create the content each and every day. It's not impossible, it's possible to create a content, but I'm trying to figure out what best time I could give for YouTubing. In last 6 months I've not posted any sort of videos. Oh my god, it's 12:30 in the night, man. From last 6 months I've posted only 2 videos, that is of part 1 Chikmagalur and part 2 Chikmagalur episodes. So in case if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and make it grey. I don't know about anybody's excitement, but right now I'm excited because I've got my new tank bag to my Royal Enfield Himalayan. Right now I don't have any sort of cutting tool. I'll be cutting it directly. I'll be tearing it off or peeling it off directly. I've purchased this for 2,999 rupees. I've got this from Amazon, and yes, this is how I am wrapped. Yes. This is from GUARDIANGEARS, the tank bag. Let's have a look at it. It's too heavy. It's too heavy. I've got some packaging, and this is GUARDIANGEARS sticker. I'll try to focus it. Yes, and this is a 28-liter tank bag. This is 28-liter tank bag, followed by it's a sticker as well for all kind of motorcycles, and order with confidence. There's a 12 months safety warranty, or there's a 12 months warranty card. And not satisfied, experience, whatever. So I shall have to check how the quality is. So MRP is 2,999. I'm gonna take this off. I shall have to check with the zips. Quality of the zips are really good. So I can keep my mobile phone here. I can place my cell phone. I'll check it will be working or not. Wait a second. Yes, it recognizes. Yeah, it's working. There's no problem. There's no issue at all. It's working all fine, no problem. And I've got something to place over here as well. Oh my god, got very big of space, and this is the rain cover. Got orange colored one, and this is the strap, I believe, for putting it to my bike, and this is the magnetic tank thing. Any tank which has got metal inside will support this. It's a metal tank bag. You can use this as bag. So it has got very good space. I'll show you if I can keep my accessories inside this. Taking the 120 FPS shot in 3, 2, 1.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
I'll be showing you how to mount it on the tank. Okay guys, see you in the next vlog. Until then, take care. Bye.